Do you need a financial advisor for your 401 degrees Kelvin or IRA? Imagine planning for your future and wondering if you should get help to make the most of your retirement savings. That's a common question, especially for immigrants managing their finances in a new country. A 401 degrees Kelvin is a retirement savings plan offered by your employer. You put part of your paycheck into it before taxes are taken out. The money then grows tax-deferred until you retire and start withdrawing. An individual retirement account, or IRA, is a personal account you open yourself. There are two main types: traditional IRAs, where you might get a tax deduction now and pay taxes later, and Roth IRAs, where you pay taxes upfront but your withdrawals are tax-free in retirement. For immigrants, eligibility to contribute depends on having a Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number and being legally allowed to work in the United States. Green card holders and many visa holders can usually participate, but rules can vary based on your immigration status. Planning for retirement is different for immigrants because of questions like what happens if you leave the United States. Will your account be taxed if you retire abroad? Can you still contribute if your stay is temporary? These depend on your tax residency status and whether there is a tax treaty between the United States and your home country. The IRS uses the substantial presence test to decide if you are a tax resident. This affects how your worldwide income, including retirement account withdrawals, is taxed. If you have accounts or assets in your home country, you might need to file extra reports like the Foreign Bank Account Report. Many immigrants hesitate to use retirement accounts because they worry about portability or taxes if they leave the country. But these accounts offer great tax benefits while you are working in the United States. Withdrawing early or closing accounts when leaving can mean losing long-term growth and facing penalties. It's also important to understand that your immigration status and tax status are different. Even without a green card, you could still be considered a U.S. tax resident and owe taxes on your retirement account distributions. A financial advisor who specializes in helping immigrants can clarify how these accounts work and help you avoid costly mistakes. They can guide you on managing your accounts if you plan to leave the U.S. and explain how your home country's tax laws interact with U.S. rules. Advisors can help you set up automatic contributions, choose investments that match your goals, and plan for taxes when you withdraw money. They can also coordinate your retirement savings with other financial priorities like visa expenses, building credit, or sending money abroad. If you are unsure about your future plans, working with an advisor can give you peace of mind. Whether you stay in the United States long-term, return home, or move elsewhere, they can help you make choices that fit your situation. Many now offer virtual meetings, so you can get advice even if you are far from their office. To decide if you need an advisor, consider how confident you are navigating U.S. financial rules. If you understand the rules and have clear plans, you might manage your accounts yourself. But if you have questions or want to maximize your benefits, talking to a financial advisor is a smart move. Start by learning how 401 degrees Kelvin and IRA accounts work. Take advantage of your employer's matching contributions, which is free money for your retirement. Keep track of your days in the U.S. to understand your tax status. If you have assets in your home country, be aware of U.S. reporting requirements. Think about your long-term goals. Do you want to retire in the United States, return home, or move somewhere else? Your answer will influence how you manage your retirement accounts. If you are unsure, seek advice from someone who understands both U.S. and your home country's financial rules. Managing a 401 degrees Kelvin or IRA as an immigrant involves more than saving. It's about understanding tax laws, planning for international moves, and making sure you don't miss benefits or face surprises. A knowledgeable financial advisor can help you stay on track and build a secure future wherever life takes you.